Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Colin. We are the authorized distributor of this adapter factory. Here, I'm going to show you the factory step by step. Please follow me. On the right side, we can see one automatic production line of the transformer. This machine will be used for the big orders. And here, to the left side, there are two manual transformer machines. They will be used for the small orders. Please come closer. And the final step is over there. We are going to put two magnets on the transformer to finish the product. It's over there. Follow me. In this step, we will put two more small magnets onto the transformer to finish one product. And you can see how elegant this small part is. So we use the high quality accessories for our product. And this is the end of the introduction of our transformer plant. Thanks for watching.